This video shows real police response during a critical incident.
My brother?
Your brother?
Yeah.
Where is he?
He crazy.
Los Angeles Police Department officers respond to a call of a residential disturbance.
And my neighbor is running with a knife after people, beating people up.
With reports of a man's actions putting neighbors in fear.
He already beat up some people on the street, and now he's running with the knife against his own brother, I believe.
Okay, is anyone hurt or injured?
I don't know. I'm worried.
What is the neighbor wearing so we can identify him? What color shirt and pants?
He is Middle Eastern, I think black clothes. And he's going crazy for the last 2 or 3 days.
He's wearing a black shirt and black pants?
I think so.
How old is he?
Around 30, his 30s. I saw him assaulting people on the street. I don't know, he's running after people with this knife.
Officers from West Valley Patrol Division arrive at the location on Reseda Boulevard and are directed by a witness toward the suspect's apartment.
You called? You called?
No, he my brother.
Huh?
English?
Yeah.
He no English, Pashto.
Basto?
Pashto, he my brother. He crazy. My brother?
Your brother?
Yeah.
Where is he?
He crazy.
Where is he at? Where is he at?
Yeah, he's what? He come. Yeah, he go.
You need a 40?
West Valley unit for the code 3 calling RD 1034 identified.
Hey, stay over here. Who's inside the house?
Yes, sir.
And
But-
unit in the vicinity 1021.
Let me get the keys, bro. Let me get the 40. Let me get the keys.
They observe the man yelling from inside and watch as he breaks his window with a frying pan.
Ten 821. Give me a backup. 450 man with the knife. Hey, relax. 10-821. To get to him is going to be Irwin, just west of Reseda, or east of Reseda. Hey.
Additional units respond, and officers form a tactical team before entering the apartment courtyard.
40 up.
I got taser, you got DCO. One person only. You got the 40.
Yeah, 40.
Hey, but be careful, you ran out the front. Hey, I'll be your guys' comms.
We're careful because he had a frying pan and he has a knife. So we gotta go. Come on. Relax. Let me. Hey, if I can get a chance, I'm gonna take him. All right. Watch out. Slow. Hey! 21 shots fired. No officer needs help. Knife down. Relax. He's got it.
Hold on, I'm gonna kick it.
Yeah. It's right there. Stop. Yeah, he's down.
All right, moving up.
Move up. Did you get the...
I got it. I'll put out the code.
Yeah. If I can get a chance, I'm gonna take him. All right. Watch out, slow.
As the team moves through a corridor, the man suddenly runs toward them while armed with a knife. A taser is deployed but does not stop his advance. Officers fire, and the man falls to the ground, allowing officers to take him into custody.
Yeah, he's down.
right, moving up. Got me?
Officers secure the knife and provide immediate medical aid, including CPR, until paramedics arrive. The man is transported to a local hospital for further treatment. Investigators recover the knife and book it into evidence, and he is later charged with multiple felony counts related to the assault on officers. Incidents like this underscore the challenges officers face when responding to violent disturbances in densely populated residential areas. Close quarters and limited space can compress decision-making, forcing officers to balance their own safety with the safety of surrounding residents. Please consider subscribing. Your support helps us continue covering critical incidents and promoting awareness in our communities.